Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales showing you our Ford Bronco 351 automatic, power steering, power brakes. Does have front disc brakes, lift kit. There you can see the springs. They dropped the steering over here with that bracket, so kind of done right. Drives good. Body's the only thing you need to really finish, and then whatever touches you'd want on the interior. Mechanically, I don't think you'd have to do anything to it. Fiberglass hood, has the new style shock absorber hoods. There's a custom bumper, of course. They rhino line the bottom, and you know, there's some scratches, a little bit of rust coming here, and a little bit there. For sound, they insulated the roof, so doesn't look so good from underneath, but it's a little more quieter driving. Custom seats, there's your B&M shifter, 4-wheel drive. But the guy said it had, and then had lockers, Detroit lockers too. Your spare tire, no rear seat currently because of where they have the seat built, or the spare tire mounted. Rhino line the doors, and it does have the mat on the floor. See, they rhino line the bottom here, a little blister there. So rhino line tailgate. I believe that's custom tank because it got dual tanks, and the gauges works, and so it has both switches. So it's all there, dang there. And it's ready to go play out in the woods with it because the body's not perfect. It'll look good driving by somebody, but definitely ready to go play because it drives great. And as far as I didn't check the cruise control, but everything else does work. So good, solid old Bronco, ready to have some fun. 605-695-7391.